Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Persian, you probably realize that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you manage to find an app that teaches Persian, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. But I'm here to show you the best app to learn Persian. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is Ling. You can get 7 days free with the app right now if you click the link in the description below. We've also added timestamps for you here so it's easier for you to quickly look through. Now, let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio.
حال شما چطور است؟
Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots because it's cheaper for them, but that's bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from other apps. Ling works with native speakers to create the courses and to record audio for you. This is really good for every language, but especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak with their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language right from day one without having to go out and meet with a native speaker face to face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is a completely different thing. Ling doesn't just throw random vocabulary at you like other apps. Ling built their lessons around context. Understanding the what, when, where, and why are key parts to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. And the order of the lessons makes sense because the first sentences you learn are the ones that you'll get to use right away. Like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. But let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, when it comes to learning any new skill, staying motivated is the hardest part of sticking to it. That's why I personally love Ling's banana points and streak features. These features motivate you to learn your language daily and help you progress better. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. But that's not all. Ling also has a daily streak counter, which motivates you just the right amount to open the app at least once a day, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all these features, will they actually teach you how to speak? That's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner, and it simulates real life. First, you listen to the native speaker, you give your answer, and then the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in that situation before you actually talk to somebody. So when the time comes that you need to use the language, you're a lot more confident. It is the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. It also includes grammar notes that explain the logic behind the sentences in plain English. It covers all the technical stuff in between the gamified lessons. Now that we've gone over all of Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app is also built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and please give Ling a try if you want to master the accent and speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. We hope you have a great language learning journey.